Welcome to my 1940s apartment here in San Francisco. We currently pay $38.50 per month. The reason I'm filming this tour right now is because we're moving next week. So we don't have that much time left. So welcome. Let me show you around. My favorite room in our apartment. It has to be the living room. The room is sectioned off in a way where it has its own individual spaces, eating breakfast, dinner, and then my desk is also in here. Scott's lucky he has his own room, but I get this one. I had so much fun decorating this shelf with all of my little knickknacks, things that we've collected over the years and on our international trips. And then on the side here, we have a gallery wall, which I've always wanted, but had a hard time deciding what pictures that I could pick, but Decennial really just took all of the guesswork out of what to put on the walls. In the mornings, you can pretty much always find me here eating breakfast, drinking my tea, and just enjoying this beautiful view. We're so lucky that we can see Golden Gate Park from here. And if you look really, really closely, you can even see the Golden Gate Bridge. Over here is my desk. Scott and I worked really hard on making this an ergonomic setup just because I spent a lot of time editing videos. And honestly, I haven't been utilizing the space to its maximum potential. I'm still editing my videos on my phone, which really does not help with my carpal tunnel, but I really do love the comfy chair, the really beautiful keyboard with the fun colors, my monitor, and I also have my hard drive, my favorite colorful pens. So again, a very natural and neutral color palette just so I can focus on my work. Welcome to my bedroom. This is pretty much where I like to film all of my fashion videos, so you might be familiar with this background right here. Every now and then I like to move the furniture around just to set up my background a little bit differently. One question I get asked all the time is, how do I store my clothes? So I have two dressers here from IKEA. These are the mom dressers. We did build these ourselves and it was a bit of a struggle to carry them up 2 flights of stairs. Trying to teach Scott some Chinese. We also have a little hanger here, 2 more dressers, and 2 closets behind you, which I share with Scott. Here are the 2 closets. This one is mine, which I will not open for you because it is a hot mess. If I open the door, everything will come spilling out. And then Scott's closet actually quite nice and organized, which I filmed previously. Look, it looks fine. It looks good. All of his clothes are neatly organized, unlike mine. Color-coded. And color-coded too. On the first weekend of every month, there's a flea market, and this is where I found this mirror. We actually got it for a very great deal. It was only $60. $50. $50. Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah, it was only 50.
Oh, 50 bones for this giant tall mirror. I almost bought the Anthropology mirror that everyone has, but I just wanted something more unique and special. So we found this beauty, and also it was a struggle to carry and transport all the way back here, but she made it. She's in one piece. The main focal point of this bedroom has to be the bed. We spent a lot of time setting up this headboard. It was quite a struggle for Scott and I to screw it onto the wall, just because with the older house, it's just really hard to pinpoint where you can actually screw in screws into the wall. We made sure to make the entire space very minimal and relaxing, because every now and then I have piles of clothes that really fill up the room. Why YouTubers take so long to film their apartment tours, because decorating a place is very hard. Since I work in social media and production, I have collected a lot of props and clothes over the years, so it was crucial for us to find a place with a basement with extra storage. That way we don't have to live with all of my things in the house. So we're really able to separate work from our home space. And downstairs in the basement, we have an extra storage closet, and we were able to utilize the space to build some of our furniture, do some remodeling work. In the backyard, we ended up adding a table so that when our friends came over, we can hang out in the backyard. Unfortunately, we didn't spend that much time in the backyard because it's quite cold and windy in San Francisco, so there's like a few rare pockets of sunshine throughout the year, and we really had the chance to enjoy it. For the bathroom, we wanted to let the burgundy tiles pop. We really love the retro look of them. So we just added in a few potted plants and some framed artwork and just tried to keep things cozy and minimal. place is a 2-bedroom apartment, but technically it's really the kitchen that was cut in half. He put up a wall in between and divided the space to create that second room. So our kitchen is quite small and very cramped, not the best for entertaining, but just got the job done. We wanted to keep things pretty minimal, cozy, with a mid-century modern feel, which is more Scott and my style. All of the home decor will be linked in the description down below.